Hello, TonLife friends. Today we are learning about the letter H, and the sound is made just like the word horse. Let's say it together. H is for horse. H is for hat. H is for house. And H is for hot dog. Let's try and say with sound. H, horse. H, hat. H, house. H, hot dog. Great job. So, let's learn together and have fun.
Hat. 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 House. 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 Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Horse. 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 Hat. House. Hot dog. 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 Horse. It is a hat. It is a house. It is a hat. It is a house. It is a hot dog. It is a horse. It is a hot dog. It is a horse.
Thank you so much for your watching. Keep learning and stay smart. Just don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe TonLife. Goodbye from TonLife. See you again soon.